feet about Twitter? That's our top story today on the Wall Report. I'm your host, Greta Wall. Twitter shares are sinking today after Musk announced his buyout deal is being temporarily put on hold. He made that announcement in this tweet this morning, saying he was temporarily putting it on hold and linking a Reuters article on Twitter's estimate that just 5% of the accounts on the platform are spam or fake. The Tesla boss has previously said one of his main priorities in buying Twitter is to remove spam accounts from the social media site. He said that he wants more information on that estimate from Twitter before he moves forward with the deal. But in a follow-up tweet, Musk did say he is still committed to the acquisition. He's poised to take Twitter private in a $44 billion takeover deal. But if Musk pulls out, he will have to pay the social media company a $1 billion breakup fee. And the broader market is rallying today as traders attempt to shake off an intense week of selling. The major indices are all sharply higher in today's session, but still on track for another weekly loss. Tech stocks are bouncing back strong, with the Nasdaq up more than 3%, and the crypto market is following suit. Bitcoin rising back above $30,000 today, with Ethereum back above $2,100. The global crypto market cap is up more than 10% over the past day to $1.39 trillion. And Robinhood shares are rallying following an investment from a big name in the crypto space. A new SEC filing shows the CEO of crypto exchange FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried, took a 7.6% stake in the online brokerage company. Now, the stock is up about 25% today after tumbling to a record low on Thursday. Bankman-Fried purchased $648 million worth of Robinhood stock through his firm Emergent Fidelity Technologies. That regulatory filing says he bought the stock believing it was a, quote, attractive investment. And oil prices are rising again today. West Texas Intermediate crude futures up about 3.5% at $110 per barrel. Brent crude futures rising more than 3% to $111 per barrel. The gains come as focus in the energy market remains on the EU's expected ban of Russian oil imports. And meantime, U.S. gas prices hit a new record high for the fourth day in a row today. AAA data showing the average price for a gallon of regular gas jumped above $4.43 today. Diesel prices also hit a fresh record at $5.56 per gallon. Now, these latest gains are being blamed on reduced refinery capacity in the U.S. Refineries say they are operating at full capacity, but they're still unable to keep up with demand. The overall refinery capacity in the U.S. has dropped by about 1 million barrels per day since 2019. Now, taking a look at the economic data of the day today, U.S. import prices cooled in April as fuel costs dropped. The Labor Department's import price index was unchanged last month versus expectations for a 0.6% increase. That was a sharp slowdown from the 2.9% gain in March. Import prices were still up 12% year over year, but a slowdown from 13% the month before. Import fuel prices fell 2.4% in April, and that is what caused the flat change overall. Import prices excluding fuel, though, were up 0.4% monthly, and export prices still rose 0.6% monthly and 18% year over year. Now, consumer sentiment has tumbled to a more than decade low. The University of Michigan's Consumer Sentiment Index plunged more than 6 points in May to 59.1. That's sharply missing expectations for a reading of 64.1 and is the lowest in more than 10 years. The drop comes as consumers continue to be squeezed by high inflation pressures, and expectations for inflation over the next 12 months their inflation expectations did hold steady this month. Over the next 12 months, consumers see inflation remaining at 5.4% and at 3% over the next 5 years. And we will get a look at how surging prices did impact consumer activity in April next week. The retail sales report is due Tuesday morning. The week also includes a series of new data on the housing market. But a quick warning, there will be no Wall report Monday or Tuesday, the 16th and 17th, I'm heading out to a trading conference, but I will be back on Wednesday. And be sure you are subscribed to my Coffee with Greta newsletter. There's a link in the description box to sign up. I will still be sending that out both mornings while I'm away. All right, have a great weekend and give this video a like before you go.